way out. Exit. So Rosie was going to show
Well, the
us.
Alex Foundation is an organization that is focused on helping students in both the Delta and Central Arkansas sort of pursue their dreams academically. And in particular, their focus is on helping students pursue dreams in areas such as arts and education, arts and architecture and math and science. But before you can pursue any of those, the foundation of any learning is reading. And so they've recognized the need to put books into the hands of children. I mean, anytime you can show people the effects of just the joy of reading, and obviously Mrs. Beebe brings out she's such a lovely, gracious person that she brings that out. And sitting with those kids, it shows just exactly the impact that it can have. I mean, you see those children light up. I mean, it shows the importance of getting those kids, the delight that was on their faces when they had those books. I mean, they got a present, and it was theirs, and it was a book, and they're going to be looking through that book, and they'll remember this forever.
Words were always his favorite treat. See, he's reading a story just like I'm reading a story to you.